Good morning, students. Today we'll start chapter 4 of moral science, that is lifestyle disorders. What do you mean by disorders? Disorders means defects, ailments, or disease which occur in our life due to some bad habits, due to our bad lifestyles. We will discuss what are the disorders occur in life in this chapter. Let's see what are lifestyle disorders. Lifestyle disorders are ailments and diseases that strike a person because of an unhealthy lifestyle. These disorders could be obesity, diabetes, coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, acidity, stomach ulcer, poor eyesight, insomnia, dental problems, or a combination of these ailments. Today, lifestyle disorders have hit our country like an epidemic. This was largely restricted to urban areas and metro cities earlier, but is slowly moving into semi urban areas also. In 2016, India had more than 60 million diabetic patients, and by 2030, the number is likely to cross 100 million. It is being predicted that coronary heart disease will soon become the leading cause of death in our country. Our changing lifestyle. Our lifestyle has changed drastically in the last couple of decades. Rapid urbanization has led to an increase in the unavailability of goods and affluence in society. Therefore, today most of the people use vehicles for transportation, stay indoors and play video games, watch more TV, speak incessantly on the phones and do very little physical exercise. Besides this, there is a pressure of work, shortage of time, workload of schools on children which creates a lot of stress and cause worry. With the introduction of fast food and home delivery, we have started consuming food which are high in calories but of little nutritional value. The sedentary lifestyle coupled with unhealthy eating pattern are creating a havoc on our health. Our earlier lifestyle. In earlier days, people were not so much dependent on machines. Most people went to work and children went to school either on foot or on cycles. They also had enough leisure time. Since there were no gadgets, children spent their time in playing games outdoors. Moreover, the time spent indoors was spent in the wonderful pursuit of reading. They also had time to just stand and stare, which acted as a great stress buster. Such activities brought about a lot of human interaction and emotional bonding among people. As far as food was concerned, it was mainly home cooked. Most of the ingredients came from the field or nearby gardens, so people had wholesome, balanced, and fresh meals. Besides, the physical activities improved metabolism and food was digested easily, so most people had fit bodies. Today, everyone is in rush and parents have little time to make food at home. Even if they have time, they don't make healthy food at times. Health hazards caused by modern lifestyle. Obesity. In simple terms, obesity means being overweight beyond a certain limit. A person whose weight is above 20% above the desired range is called obese, and those who are 40% above are severe obese. In the last 15 years, the percentage of obesity in children has doubled. The reason for obesity in children are irregular meal times, lack of physical activity, is availability of junk food, lack of fresh ingredients in meals. As children enter adolescence, those who are overweight are often subjected to psychological and social problems as they are at times teased on account of their weight. They can also suffer from serious medical problems such as diabetes, fatty liver, and heart ailments. Most significantly, overweight children grow up as overweight adults, thereby risking the chance of getting diabetes and heart ailments. Other problems that occur due to obesity are lethargy, excessive sleep, problem in joints, especially knees, poor posture, overall discomfort, leathery appearance of skin. The World Health Organization has declared obesity as one of the most neglected diseases of significant public health implication in the new millennium. Diabetes. Diabetes is also a lifestyle disease and is caused due to lack of exercise and overconsumption of fat and sugar. It is serious ailment which is also known as silent killer because it gradually weakens the internal organs and the healing power of the body. It also affects the eyesight of a person. If neglected, it can lead to serious health problems. Generally, people who are obese are more likely to develop this disease, which is known as type 2 diabetes. Tooth decay. Dental decay is another epidemic that has hit children. This has also happened because of basic change in diet. Eating too much of chocolate, sweets, white bread, and biscuit cause tooth decay. People today have forgotten the basic habits of rinsing the mouth after every meal and brushing the teeth before going to bed. Even in the morning, some children do not brush their teeth properly. Remember, once you lose a permanent tooth, it has gone forever. How will you feel if you have lost some of your teeth? Just give it a thought. 4 years old Siddharth Ramesh had dental caries in all his milk teeth. He had to get 3 root canal fillings, 3 caps, and fluoride treatment done for all his teeth. He never brushed his teeth on time and ate a lot of bread and junk food. Weak eyesight. Studying in properly lit rooms, sitting in front of computers, watching too much of TV, and playing video games are the major reason of poor eyesight. In addition, poor nutrition and wrong diet can also affect the eyes negatively. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Insomnia. In simple terms, insomnia is too little or poor quality sleep. This can be caused by improper sleeping pattern, tension, and stress. A normal person should get about 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but people who suffer from sleeping disorder or insomnia have the following problems: difficulty in sleeping or falling asleep, waking up during the night, waking up too early in the morning, not feeling fresh even after sleeping for 7 to 8 hours. If one doesn't get good sleep, the best way is to do the following: get regular exercise. It makes you tired as well as refreshed and relaxed, which helps in getting a sound sleep. Avoid coffee or tea before dinner. Have dinner at least 2 or 3 hours before bedtime. Try to go to bed at a reasonable time. Regulate your sleep cycle by sleeping at approximately the same time every night. Young people in school may sometimes find it difficult to sleep on account of fatigue, tension, or stress. It is also caused by irregular sleeping pattern. This could lead to insomnia in adulthood. Therefore, it is good to take corrective measures while one is still young so that we don't suffer the consequences later. Acidity and ulcers. Too much of spice, junk food, and oily fried food is the cause of stomachache and acidity. People who have regular bouts of acidity are prone to chronic stomach problem and ulcers. Even lack of sleep, irregular life, and irregular meal timing cause acidity. Stress definitely add to acidity and stomach problems. Ulcers are like small wounds inside the stomach or intestine. People with ulcer and acidity often experience bouts of pain which can occur any time of the day. Children, read the chapter thoroughly and try to understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day.